Have you ever wondered how millions of grapes turn into a single bottle of juice?
It all starts here, in vast vineyards, where nature quietly prepares a massive harvest. For an entire year, these vines are carefully nurtured until the perfect moment arrives. Experts constantly monitor sugar levels to determine the exact moment of harvest. But because grapes don't improve after picking, timing is everything.
One wrong day can change the entire flavor of the harvest. And when the signal is given, everything changes instantly. Machines begin shaking millions of grapes loose in seconds.
Only the perfect grapes survive this high-speed selection process.
Because once picked, the race against time has already begun.
The grapes now arrive at massive industrial factories built for one purpose: speed. Each truck carries tons of fruit collected in just hours from the vineyard. The first step is purification, removing every trace of field dust and debris. Human eyes and machines work together to ensure only perfect grapes move forward. Advanced optical scanners analyze every grape in milliseconds. Anything imperfect is instantly removed from the line.
Only the highest quality fruit continues toward transformation. Now the transformation begins. Grapes are separated from their stems.
They are gently crushed to release juice in without damaging seeds. This mixture of juice, skins, and seeds is known as must. Next, the must is heated to unlock color and preserve flavor.
Heat draws out the deep color trapped inside the skins. A powerful press gently squeezes every drop of juice from the fruit. What remains is pure juice, separated from solid waste. Even the leftovers are reused, often as animal feed. It is chilled to remove unwanted natural crystals and impurities. Then comes ultrafine filtration at a molecular level.
Only pure water, sugar, and flavor molecules remain. What emerges is clarity, pure, refined, and ready for the final stage.
Then it is rapidly cooled to lock in its fresh flavor. It is stored in sterile tanks, protected from oxygen and contamination. Now comes the fastest stage of all, bottling. Every bottle is sterilized before filling begins. Hundreds of bottles are filled every single minute.
Each bottle is sealed instantly to preserve freshness.
Labels are applied with perfect accuracy in milliseconds. Automated scanners ensure every bottle meets perfection. And finally, the juice is ready for the world. From liquid perfection, the final packaging begins at incredible speed. Robotic systems secure every case for safe global transport. Millions of bottles now sit ready, waiting to travel across the world. Every second matters, as distribution begins instantly. Trucks line up, ready to carry freshness to distant markets. Each bottle begins its journey far beyond the factory walls. The journey continues across cities, countries, and continents. Through night and day, the supply chain never stops. Some bottles travel even further, across oceans. A global journey begins from a single harvest. Finally, the juice arrives at stores near you. A simple bottle, holding millions of grapes inside. What once grew on a vine now fills your glass. Every sip carries a journey of science, speed, and precision. From nature to machines to you. Millions of grapes transformed in minutes of industrial power. But it all begins in silence, under the sun. Nature starts the story, long before machines arrive. And industry completes it, him with unstoppable precision. A perfect balance of nature and technology. A simple bottle, carrying an entire ecosystem inside. Every drop tells a story of transformation. A journey you never see, but always taste. From vineyard rows to your table. This is how millions of grapes become juice in minutes. Inside every grape lies a complex structure of sugar, water, and natural acids. When pressure is applied, these structures begin to break apart instantly.
Scientists monitor every chemical change in real time. Even microscopic solids are removed using extreme centrifugal force.
Filtration happens at a level invisible to the human eye. Every stage is controlled with absolute precision.
Sensors detect even the smallest deviation in quality. From tank to tank, the juice never stops moving.
Automated systems adjust flow instantly for perfect balance. Heat treatment ensures absolute safety of every drop. Then, rapid cooling locks in freshness immediately. The juice now rests in sterile, oxygen-free environments. Nitrogen protection prevents oxidation completely. Now the most precise dance begins: bottling. Every bottle is sterilized before filling begins. Hundreds of bottles are filled every single minute. Each bottle is filled with absolute consistency. Sealing happens in less than a second.
Heat ensures every seal remains perfectly sterile.
Cooling stabilizes the final product. Labels are applied with robotic accuracy. Any imperfection is immediately removed. Only perfection continues forward. The final result is industrial perfection at scale. From factory floors, the journey expands across the globe.
Others move by sea, in massive container fleets.
Through storms and distance, the supply never stops.
Rail networks carry juice deep into inland regions. Every arrival triggers another wave of movement. Automated systems direct each bottle to its destination.
And finally, the journey reaches your city. From industrial scale to everyday life.
A simple choice, hiding a complex story.
From vine to barcode, every step recorded. Moments like these begin far away in vineyards. Tiny details, perfected through engineering. Three worlds connected in one bottle. Transformation at its finest. A simple drink with an extraordinary journey. And yet, it all begins here. Where nature meets machine. Where simplicity hides complexity. From millions of grapes to a single moment.
This is how millions of grapes become juice in minutes. Thanks for watching. Explore more behind-the-scenes journeys.